welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you guys along on a vlog. This is my weekend. I feel like I've been making a trend out of this for the past couple weekends. I just take you guys along for all things I do. The fun stuff that I do. I don't really do a lot of stuff, guys, honestly, but I feel like, you know what, I gotta be more personal on this channel. I can't just be reviewing skincare, grooming, fashion, and stuff like that. I gotta be realistic because that's my brand, being real, right? So today, I'm actually going to a sunflower patch, and there's gonna be tons of sunflowers, tons of beer, stuff I love, lots of friends. We're celebrating one of my best friend, Jamie's birthday, and I cannot wait. I actually figured I'd share this with you guys. I made her a bracelet. This is one of my bracelets for my new collection. This is a gemstone bracelet, and it's beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite pieces because it's like very pastel, very white, very crisp, very clean, very sexy and sensual. I love it. So I made this for her along with other gifts, but I cannot wait to celebrate and enjoy my weekend. So if you guys are interested in this vlog, then keep on watching. And we're just making a quick stop to the Starbucks before everyone gets to my place. I need my dose of Starbs RN right now because, guys, I have been having like the worst headaches. So Starbucks is my antidote. That's that. Know that. And it's feeling like fall. Like today really feels like a fall day. The leaves are starting to change and it's kind of like chilly out in a way. It's why I'm wearing a button down here in PA. It's like high 73 today. Just like 2 weeks ago, it was high like 90 something. So the weather here is nuts, guys. It is nuts. This is like the most butch Starbucks around, guys. It's next to an Ace Hardware and an Advanced Auto Parts. Yeah. This was my attempt to grab the best sunflower in the entire field. But let me tell you, it was a challenge because there were bumblebees everywhere and I was like afraid of snakes and stuff. But lo and behold, I got it. Day 2 of my vlog, and today we are making cake cookies. This is so simple to make. You just need to choose one of your favorite cake mixes. Unfortunately, I didn't film an intro to this whole like baking experience, but a few of the main ingredients are flour, eggs, oil, water, and whatever's on the back of your cake mix box. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So now we're about to roll the dough into little balls and then bake them at 350 for, I'm doing like 20 minutes, but I'm gonna play it by like ear because I like them to be moist. I don't like them to be burnt. I don't like crispy cookies. I like them to be very gooey and chewy and delicious. We finally have the cookies baked, and let me tell you guys a few words of advice. One, if you let the mix sit for a little bit and like harden, it's not gonna be as like goopy when you first like try to make balls. I couldn't make balls, like roll them into like little cookies because it was so gooey. But if you let the dough, or whatever you want to call the mix, like just sit for a bit, it will harden, it will be much easier. So for example, like the first batch, I was making them this small, and then I figured, you know what? I kind of want like miniature like cake cookies. So I made them a lot, way bigger, but they cooled down. I'm ready to frost them. This is the Duncan Hines whipped cream cheese frosting. Sounds delicious. This is gonna be like calorie overload, but whatever guys, you gotta live, you gotta slive. And the cookies, by the way, were by Betty Crocker. And I made 4 batches, so like that was 12 in each batch, and that equals like 48. So we have 48 cookies, and I cannot wait to smell this because I love frosting. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Let's go. By the way guys, I started decorating for fall. I'm not sure if you noticed, like in the back, I have a little bit of artificial leaves up. I do not have any fake plants. Not that I'm judging if anybody uses fake plants, but the only artificial plant that I have in my house is during fall when I have like leaves in here. That is it. That is it. I'm a firm believer that plants are a form of therapy and they just make you happy, and it's great to have plants in the house, and that's why I like real plants. Try to be a little graceful with how much frosting I put on these cookies, because trust me when I say I could load the frosting on, because I can load the frosting on. I freaking love frosting on cookies and cake. And I know a lot of people are like, oh, frosting, it's too much sugar. But for me, it's kind of what makes the pastry, the cake, or whatever you're eating. I'm ready to try these though. I am so excited to give this a go. So let's try them. I'm not holding back anymore. I already like frosted 2, and here I am. So good, it's so good. I'm actually taking you guys along for a quick little walk. I know I just can never sit my butt down. So after making these cookies, I was sitting around, I was like, you know what? Actually, I want to go thrift shopping and I want to go for a walk. So come with me. We're going to Lake Scranton, guys. Guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video and enjoy my cookies and frosties and just chill out and recover from my weekend. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because that's very important. If you don't hit that, it means you will not be notified whenever I make or post a video. So hit that bell. Also, my Instagram is right here at 𝗀𝗄𝘄𝘆 if you want to follow me on there as well. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.